welcome back to my channel. Before we continue to this video, click like and subscribe button to support us, and you will get daily updates, okay? Following year and a half available in the United States, the Buick Envision had its spot as the third top-of-the-line vehicle among Buick's 8 models, opening in behind the Encore and Enclave. January deals this year hot 13.7% year-over-year, only a couple of hundred behind the Enclave. Presently, the Chinese-made minimized SUV gets an unobtrusive makeover. However, purchasers of the 2019 Buick Envision should reach up into the upper trims to get to the best of what's new. The enormous mechanical redesign accompanies the alternative of GM's Hydra-Matic 9T59 programmed rather than standard the 6-speed. Notwithstanding, that seems, by all accounts, to be constrained to only 2 of the 5 accessible Envision trims, Premium I and Premium II. The base, Preferred, and Essence models stay with the 6-speed as it were. Configuration changes based on the front and back sashes. The grille theme changes to 80-wing Buick token, in tri-shading spec, not monochrome. Over the past waterfall, coordinating that of the kin hybrids. The lower front belt gets redrawn, with the mist lights at the edges now sitting in square brakes with revised chrome trim and more honed edges on the guard. Premium trims climb from HID projectors to bi-LED headlights, while the other 3 trims shed their composite incandescent light for HID lights. As for the 2019 Request Direct, ebony seats with dark plum inside accents leave the menu, supplanted by dark galvanized cowhide seats with ebony trim. White inside lighting will enlighten the instrument board and entryway trim, supplanting ice blue, and Solace. Accommodation changes come as remote telephone charging, a Lodge Air ionizer and a catch to stop begin framework. The last would be an important update as it's been a typical protest logged against so prepared GM vehicles. In back, planned components get more keen edges, and the taillights change to slimmer LED units. Creators have shrouded a single fuse outlet on the lower 3 trims with the base, 197 torque 2.5-liter motor. It creates the impression that picking the discretionary, 252 horsepower 2.0-liter motor will be distinguished by double rectangular fuse finishers rather than the round tips of earlier years. Outside hues hold unfaltering at 6, however Midnight Amethyst Metallic offers approach to satin steel gray metallic, and the present 19-inch wheels get supplanted with 2 new plans. The 2019 Buick Envision has effectively gone marked down in China, and should achieve U.S. merchants in April.